In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your X Twitter username. First, open the X app on your mobile device or navigate to the X website on your computer. When you open the app, you'll see the familiar blue layout that X is known for. If you're using a mobile device, look for the app icon that resembles a stylized blue bird. On a computer, the website will load in your browser. Once you have the app or website open, it's time to sign in. This step is crucial because without signing in, you won't be able to access your profile and find your username. You should see fields for your username or email and password. Enter your information carefully and then hit the sign in button. This allows you to access your account securely. Once you are signed in, look for your profile icon. On the mobile app, this is typically located at the bottom of the screen, represented by a small icon of a person or a silhouette. If you are on the web version, you may find it in the upper left corner. Tapping or clicking on your profile icon will take you to your profile page. This is important because your profile page displays all the essential details about your account. It's where you can see your posts, followers, and the information you need to find your username. Now take a moment to look below your display name. Your display name is the name you chose to represent yourself on X. Just beneath it, you will see your username. This is the name that starts with the @ symbol. For example, it might look like @username. This username is how other users can mention or find you on the platform. Knowing your username is vital for connecting with others and managing your online presence. If you cannot find your username or if you forgot it, don't worry. There is an alternative way to sign in. Instead of using your username, you can try signing in with the email address associated with your account. This is helpful for those who may not remember their username but know the email they used when creating their account. Look for the option that allows you to use your email instead. Enter your email address and password, then proceed to sign in. This method ensures you can regain access even if your username slips your mind. Once you are signed in using your email, you can follow the same steps to access your profile. Tap or click on your profile icon once again. Then look below your display name. Here you will find your username as before. It's a straightforward process, and knowing how to navigate it saves you time and frustration later. That wraps up our guide on how to find your X username. It's a simple but essential skill for managing your account effectively. By knowing your username, you can engage more fully with the X community. Remember, if you have any trouble signing in, using your email is always a reliable option. Thank you for watching and happy tweeting.